Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulihil Ameen. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Inna salati wa nusuki wa mahyaya wa mamati lillahi Rabbil Alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, I am grateful to the Circle of New Zealand, Australia, and especially Brother Hafiz Mia Rashid Saab and his whole team. They have given me the opportunity so I can share some of the things with you. And very honestly, I think you are the luckiest people in the world. When you shift to the other countries, you have many challenges. And some of the challenges, they are common both in Europe and your country and America and UK, all over the world. But we have, Alhamdulillah, a beautiful ijtamaiyat. The most important thing in our mind that should be all the time, we are going to sacrifice everything in the salati wa nusuki wa mahyaya wa mamati. All these sacrifices, they are only accepted if that is done lillahi rabbil alameen, only for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So we are the most lucky people. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed a beautiful ijtamaiyat, a beautiful circles in the whole world. So we are not just entering in the whole world for the materialistic and earning the money and all these things. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has also created us opportunities so we can do many things in this world. What are the challenges? We are getting the challenges of our generations, identity challenges, identity crisis. We are getting the challenges for the families. We are getting the challenges for dawah. And I want to tell one thing that is very important. Dr. Najmuddin Arbakan Rahmatullah Alayh, he visited UK. And he has some golden words we need to remember whole life. And what are the words? When he visited to UK, so he told the people that are living in UK, all the nationalities, they have shifted to different countries. They are just like a Musa alayhi salam in the palace of Pharaoh. And it is a miracle. We have shifted in different countries, in Europe and UK, New Zealand, Australia, all these countries, but we have shifted in the hub of the people where the most important things are happening. So this is a miracle, and of course, it is not without any hikmah. So what is important for us now? In all these challenges, all these problems, when we are facing here, so we should not ignore the opportunities we are getting here. We need to explore the things. We need to work for the dawah all the time. We are thinking about it. We should have a good relationship with the neighbors. In European Muslim Council, we have done this job, and honestly speaking, this exercise was very beautiful, and it has multiple effects on this society. So we should not forget to have a good relationship between your neighbors, where you are working, all these places. Number two, the very important thing we need to focus, that is the family's environment. We have also observed in Denmark and many other countries, if you are working together with your families and you are involved, whole family, so it is a big blessing. And we have changed a lot of changing in all the homes in our countries. And number three, we should remember when we are shifting to these countries, we are not shifting only physically. We should shift mentally. So all the things we are thinking here, especially in Europe, I can see we have different countries. Scandinavian environment is different, and UK environment is different, and the people, the living brothers and sisters in Spain and Italy environment is different. So it's very important we should understand the circumstances where we are living, and then we can work in that will be more effective, and that will be more fruitful work we are doing in this society. And the last point that is very important, we should be politically active in this society. We should find the people they can help us each other, and we should remember to contribute this society who has invited us in this society, and they are giving all the opportunities, all the facilities that we are enjoying here. I am again very much thankful, and of course there are many prayers for all of you. You are gathered here. Stick to Ijtamaiyat and good family system. Inshallah, you will get a lot of ajr, and it is a blessing for all of us. So I have many prayers for you. Thank you very much for the your invitation, and for this I am going to congratulate every one of you. You are involved in this big conference. So many prayers, and as always, I hope, inshallah, you will do many things in the future. And we need to, of course, manage our youth. They can work together in the future, and that is our hope, inshallah. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.